Let's talk about KitchenCraft Colourworks Silicone Cooking Spoon, 27 cm orange. Perfect for multiple cooking tasks, scooping, stirring and scraping, with a strong nylon core to provide additional durability. Flexible, easy scrape silicone coating ensures you get every last bit from pans and bowls. Anti-scratch, perfect for use on non-stick surfaces without damage. Odour, stain and heat resistant to temperatures as high as 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Coated with the highest quality European grade food safe silicone LFGB complete with a 5-year guarantee. Odour, stain and heat resistant to temperatures as high as 260 degrees Celsius 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Coated with the highest quality LFGB-grade, food safe silicone complete with a 5-year guarantee. I found my plastic spoons were scratching my non-stick pan, so I thought I would try these new silicone utensils. I bought the spoon and the slotted spoon. They feel really nice in the head with a good weight and are really grippy. The bowl area is a little smaller than the plastic utensils I have used in the past, probably about normal wooden spoon size. Will definitely buy more. These are wonderful utensils which truly do not leave a mark on your non-stick pans. Whilst wooden or nylon utensils do not exactly scratch your pans, they do leave marks, if you look carefully. I upgraded, at some cost, to only silicone utensils and have not regretted it, and my pans are just regular non-stick as my priority is lightweight against quality. Age is to blame. They are rather thick, so not as efficient at dishing out, but whilst cooking, nothing can touch them. If you possess high-end non-stick pots and pans, these are the only utensils you should be using. I've owned this for a month or two now and it's still perfect. I was a bit concerned that the silicone would wear on the bottom of the spoon. I use this for heavy baking jobs so it gets put through its paces, and it's better than a wooden spoon in my opinion, and also a lot cleaner as silicone is non-porous. I would definitely recommend this. It might be a little pricey for a spoon, but it's very good.